Hey tech fam, welcome back to my channel FRID Hub. Before starting, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay, today I will show you how you can check your Windows version and build number without wasting any time. Click into the menus and we can check it within a second or with a hidden feature in the Windows. Okay, before starting, I'll ask you a question. Do you even know what Windows version or build number you are using? No? Okay, don't worry, you are in the right place. Let's check it together real quick. What we need to do is to just press Window key plus R. A run command will appear. Type WINVER, winver, and enter. Here we go. We can have Windows 10 here with version 22H2 with build number 1904.5737. Here we have the exact information of our Windows version and build number within a second. This is another way we can check our Windows version and Windows build number. Just go to the search bar, type PC, right click and properties. Here we go. We can have the information about our PC, desktop name, RAM, everything. Scroll down, check the Windows specification. Check edition and Windows 10 Pro, Windows version, Windows build number, and here we have copied all the information of our Windows specification. Just go to Notepad and paste it. We have done this if we want to share this information in a text form. Okay, close. We can save this as well, and right now I'm not saving this information because I don't need that. So this super handy method is very useful for updates, troubleshooting, or if we are working with the tech support. If this really helped you out, guys, give our video a quick like and hit that subscribe button for more no fluff tech tips every day, every week. Drop a comment below with your current Windows version. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.